Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting variables. Power down, remove any case or protector, and unplug keyboards or cables. Once done, use compressed air and a microfiber with 70% isopropyl to clean edges and the screen. Particles often mimic ghost taps. Boot the device into safe mode or disable third-party keyboards immediately to isolate software causes. Make sure to test the default keyboard there. If the ghosting stops, the issue is likely an app or driver rather than the hardware. Next, focus on the system layer. Update the operating system and any keyboard apps because driver bugs cause phantom touches. Once updated, reset touch calibration and review accessibility or gesture settings. Features like glove mode or multi-touch gestures can misbehave. Run the device's built-in diagnostic touch test or a touch tester app and document where false inputs appear. If ghost touches cluster at one edge, that suggests a hardware fault. If they disappear in diagnostics, software is the likely culprit. If software troubleshooting fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove persistent firmware-level corruption. If ghost touches persist afterward, the digitizer or screen assembly likely needs replacement. Contact an authorized repair service and avoid DIY unless trained. Make sure to power cycle and test before and after any hardware work. One key troubleshooting tip: if repair is delayed, connect an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard to bypass the touchscreen. This keeps you productive while you...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.